I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select PODS. Choose pod type. Choose post status. Comment status. Choose an author. Map the respective fields. Here are the advanced features in the conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Save. Now go to your form and fill up with data. Click on the Submit button. Then go to the PODS Custom Post dashboard. And here you can see that a new post was created successfully under PODS Custom Post. Thanks for watching.